Hello everyone, welcome back to AU Diggers on YouTube. Today, you know what? What am I doing here? Oh, wait. Kinda got in the way. There we go. Back out here at the Bear River again. I'm back on out. The water level has dropped since my last video, which if you want to check out how high the river was running at the end of February, you can click on this link up over here and you'll be able to check out that video. Today I'm back at the Bear River. I'm going to do some test panning. I'm going to test pan real quick, not like in my video that I was showing how to test pan. That one I was in some good gold, so I was trying to take a little bit more of my time. But I'm going to go ahead and do a quick test pan, some quick test pans, check out the area, and then run some gold. And hopefully by the end of the day, get a little bit of gold. Before I do that though, I also want to give a quick shout out to a few subscribers. We have grown just a little bit. So we went from, I think it was 20 subscribers up to 37. So I just want to give a shout out to those subscribers. So right now we can see that we have T-name, which is the Naked Aggregate Mining and Exploration. Hamadub, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Johannes Smith, hope I'm getting that right. Ron Arnall, Colin Chappell, Plugmaster Ford, Paul Weldon, Soar Lore. Hey Soar, I appreciate you checking out my videos. John Burkholder, Mian Nadim, Jason, AU Colorado, Blue Noser. Hang in there, Blue Noser. I saw some of your videos. I'm glad that you're able to find something that kind of keeps your spirits lifted and keeps you going. And thank you so much for watching. And of course, Nugget Shooter Journals, which is a gentleman by the name of Bill Sutherland that's on that channel. He does a lot of metal detecting. He does other things too, but he's really into metal detecting. He teaches metal detecting at some of the LDMA outings. That's how I've met the person and I've talked to the person. I don't know him that well, but he seems like a nice guy and he really knows his stuff. If you ever get a chance, you gotta check out his channel as Nugget Shooter Journals, especially if you're into metal detecting. So today, I'm back out here at the Bear River. Looks like more people are starting to show on up. Of course, it's Friday, the river's kind of down, so it's time to get some gold. So let's go ahead and get on out there and get some. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And I'll just do a real quick look. This is not finished panning, I'm just test panning. Just taking a real quick look. And it looks like I've got 2 specks of gold. Very, very tiny pieces. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. But I zoom in a little bit, maybe you might be able to. I don't know if you can see them. There's one there. And looks like that's the other one there. So 2 very, very tiny pieces. And that's about how long it takes to test pan. Not very long, just kind of quick and easy, just kind of see. So 2 little specks here at the Bear River, not even worth digging. Time to move on to somewhere else. see, actually you can see some gold right there. I'm sure you can see it. I'm going to try to come in. Not a lot considering this is the bear, but I'm not really in a good spot. Okay, I may have just made a huge rookie mistake. I did not check my sluice box before I put it in the water. Let me show you what I did so you know not to do this. Okay, can you see here? I try not to get it in the sun. If you see here, see I went over it's on top of the nut. That means everything was flowing underneath here, so it is not catching like it should. See, it should look more like this one here. I don't know if you can see it. Here, let me see if I can brighten this up a little bit for you. See how that one is? That's the way it should be. But instead, unfortunately, I did not check that beforehand. Horrible, horrible rookie move right there. Hey, I gotta admit, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. When I screw up, I screw up. We all do it. Alright, so I just want to show you. Okay, now I'm going to do some finish panning. With finish panning, you want to take your time. You don't want to go fast. Best thing to do, if you're out like we are right now, I'm just in some slow water, in this case, non-moving water. And I'll put another pan underneath, just in case. That's so that way if you lose something, you can pan it out again and verify that you haven't lost something. For this one, you're going to want to take your time. I'm just going to go slow and easy. Let me turn so I'm not in the shade so much for you. Alright. So I'm just going to pull it back. And what I'm going to do is I still have a little bit of an angle. Again, there's that line down here, this little thing. I'm trying to keep any gold. I want it to get down there. And so I'll just come on up. Slowly let some of this go. Come back and do it again. Come back, let some of it go. Come back, do it again. And just repeat the process over and over until you get down to where it's mostly all black stuff. So you're down to your heads. And then hopefully by then you'll start seeing some color. At least if you have some big pieces, you'll definitely start seeing some color. But out here, I'm not expecting, especially where I was digging. Alright, so see, I'm starting to get more and more blacks now. So I'm really going to want to go slow now. Just try to gently wipe off just the blondes. That lighter stuff. Just trying to keep the blacks. And notice I never ever take the pan completely out of the water. I have to leave it in there. I trust the riffles are going to do their job. I trust the pan's going to do its job. I just keep going. And sometimes you'll get those rocks that just get stubborn. They don't want to come on out. Like, when you get there, you can pull back and be very, very careful. Just kind of pull some of these rocks on out. I just pull them out. I try to make sure everything else is up top. Pull these on out. I just gradually go on through. Make sure they're clean. Go on out. Keep going through. Now I'm seeing a little bit of gold. Pull back and repress again. This one is bronze. Right. Remember I was telling you about the pie thing? This whole 90-degree angle. Don't hold it against you. Don't be holding back here. Make sure it's a 90-degree angle when you're tapping. You kind of just grab and come back. I'm seeing some gold already. Try to get a little closer so you can see as well. And I'm not doing a good job because I'm trying to let the camera see it, which is just making it tougher. And then you can kind of see. There's some gold. Yeah, like I said, I'm not doing a very good job. I'm seeing the gold's falling down. I'm just trying to show you real quick here. Look at all that gold. I hope you can see that. Hope you can see all that gold. There's one down there and some up there. It's up there. Just keep. Like I said, this wasn't very good. I only did what, 4 buckets. This is really not that good. So there, yeah. So anyways, hope you can see that. Okay, in that last bit, I was just flying around my drone to get you some quick footage of the river, and something interesting happened. So you can see here, I lost part of my prop. I accidentally clipped a tree. Fortunately, I didn't hit too hard for the drone to come down, crashing down, but hit hard enough to take up the props pretty good. As you can see, this one's still pretty good. This one's good, so this one I just toasted, so it looks like I gotta buy some new props. But what's interesting, I don't know why this happened. So the prop got chewed up. I also lost the little foot thing, the extender on that. Don't know how that quite happened. That's interesting. Oh well, looks like I gotta buy a new one of those too. All right, thanks. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.